Hey friends, today we're going to be drawing a leaf folding surprise.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. This is going to be a really fun project. For this lesson, you need something to draw with. We're going to use markers. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
All right, let's get started.
Yes.
We're first going to take the top of our paper and fold it down to the bottom. So it's in half. Line it up and then fold it down the middle or just straight down the edge.
Yes.
Then we're going to take this top flap and we're going to fold it back up to the top or the middle. Squeaky fingers. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to do one more fold. We'll take this flap and fold it up to the top again. Now this the last fold that we're doing right here, we're going to unfold because this is really just a guide fold so that we know where to draw and where not to draw. So we can take that last flap, unfold it, and then flip it back over. Now we're going to put a scratch piece of paper under each of our drawings. That way when we're using our markers, it doesn't soak through and get onto our table. Yeah. We're using red paper just so it's easier to see our paper, but you can use whatever. It doesn't matter what color. Okay, let's switch to our marker and we're going to draw a leaf. I'm going to draw a curved line. I'm going to go underneath the fold or go across the fold and then back up over here on the other side. Cool. Now we're drawing one leaf when it's folded, but then when you open it up, there's going to be a lot more leaves. So we're going to start over here and I'm going to draw some U shapes that come across, they're connected, and then connect to the other side. There you go. And then we can do the same thing on the other side. It's pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Now, if we want, we could also add little extra lines inside of our leaf for the texture. And then also, should we make the stem thicker? Yeah. You can draw a little line and then draw another line that comes in. All right, we did it. There's our first leaf. Let's go ahead and open up our folding surprise. We're now switching to our pencil. This is so we can draw the words Happy Fall inside of the folding surprise. The folding surprise is in between these two folds, the top one and the bottom. So we want to make sure that everything we draw is inside, not on the outside.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Let's draw the words Happy Fall. You could change this. You could write anything, really. You could write Happy Autumn or Happy Thanksgiving or even Happy Halloween.
Christmas.
No, maybe not Christmas. Happy Halloween. Okay, so now we're going to switch back to our markers. And we're just going to show how to draw the first couple letters with overlapping, and then the rest we'll fast forward again. So we're going to first draw around the letter H. We'll start on the outside, and we're going to draw block letters. So I'm going to draw a line on the outside, short line over. It's really pretty easy once you do that first, the guidelines, yeah, with the pencil. We're just going to trace around the letter. There we go, all the way around and connect to where you started. If you draw the letters closer together, there's going to be more overlapping when we outline it with our marker. So we're going to have a lot of overlapping. This is going to be fun. So this next letter, let's go around the outside and make sure that you don't trace where the pencil goes through the H. Now we got the outside. Let's draw a little triangle for the center of the A. Let's do one more letter. We're going to go around the P, but if you notice, a lot of the P is being covered up by the A. So I'm going to change, watch me, I'm going to change mine so that it doesn't look like a D. So I'm going to draw it a little higher, and then we'll draw a straight line down. Does that make sense too?
Yeah.
All right. So it looks like the letter P instead of the letter D. All right, we did it. Now this next part, let's finish the rest of the letters. We're going to fast forward this part so you guys at home can pause the video and take time to outline your letters. Next, we're gonna switch to our eraser and erase all of the pencil lines inside of each letter. Now let's use our markers and let's finish the leaf down here at the bottom. I'm gonna extend the front and also the bottom, the top and the bottom of the leaf. And then we'll go around it again with those U shapes. And then if you want, you can also extend those smaller little lines inside. All right, and then also add that thickness to the stem. Did you already do that?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, let's come up here and we'll finish this one also. Draw the center first, then draw the U shapes that are connected all the way around, and connect the center smaller lines also. And we're going faster on this part because we're just repeating the same steps, right?
Yeah.
Now we're ready to draw different leaves. Let's draw a curve going this way. We're gonna mix up the size and also the direction of each leaf and also the shape. Then let's start here and let's draw two little V shapes or two little lines making a V shape. And then we can do a smaller one. So we got a big one and a small one. Then we're gonna start down here at the bottom and we're gonna draw curves around each of those little lines until you get all the way back around to the beginning. Awesome. Let's make the stem a little longer and then add thickness to the stem. So draw a little line and then connect it back in. Cool. Let's add one more of those leaves. I'm going to draw it curved this way this time. And maybe I'll aim it up. We'll have it facing up. So I'm going to draw a large V at the bottom and a small V up higher. And then we'll go around that one with the curves. Now, if you're close to the letters, be sure to use overlapping so it looks like the leaf is behind the letters. Do the little curves all the way around, connect back to the beginning. I'm going to make that stem bigger and add thickness to that also. All right, cool. Let's do another leaf. We'll draw a different shape this time. I'm going to draw a curve this way. I'm going to draw it closer to the letters so that I can use overlapping. We'll do the same thing. Let's add two V shapes. And these ones could be the same, almost the same size if you want. And then we'll start down at the bottom. We'll draw a curve all the way around and then we'll come to a point. And then do the same thing going down. Just repeat the same curve on the other side. I'm going to extend the stem down further and add thickness to that stem. Let's add another leaf just like that one, but let's draw it over here. So I'm going to draw it curved this way. And you can even do an S curve if you want, make it even trickier. And then I'm going to add the V shape, second V shape. And then we'll draw the curve that goes around. Make sure that you don't go outside of that fold. Come to a point and then come back down to where you started. I'm going to extend the stem on this one and add thickness. All right, Jack, it looks really cool, but I think we should add even more leaves. This part we're going to fast forward, but you guys at home can add as many leaves as you want, or you could even leave it just like this. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Jack, I love how many leaves you added to the folding surprise, and I especially love that you used overlapping behind the letters. I noticed that you went outside of the fold, man.
Well.
That's okay. Now, let's go ahead and we'll fold it up. We'll show our art friends. See how, so you went below that fold so you can see it a little peeking out. Why don't you just add another leaf right here? Yeah. So go ahead and just change it any way you want. Ooh, that's cool. I like that.
Wait, and then you go boom, boom.
Okay.
Boom.
And then.
Go boom.
Yeah. Cool. Now when you unfold it like this, look at this. This leaf up here is only half showing, so go ahead and complete that one again. I like it. And you know, I even added little falling lines for
yeah.
the one leaf. So you guys at home, remember, you can change your drawings any way you want. You can add even more things. You could add, what else could they add?
They could add a pumpkin,
Oh yeah, you could add pumpkins or even turkeys.
a falling pumpkin,
A falling pumpkin.
and falling turkey.
That would hurt. Yeah. I would love it
falling
if I found a
pumpkin on top of a turkey.
that would be even better.
I know.
Now we need to do one more step to our drawings. My favorite step. What is it, Jack?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our drawings. This part we're gonna fast forward again, but it's gonna be awesome at the end. So remember to take time to color your drawings also. You ready to fast forward one more time?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, Jack, we're all done. We finished drawing and coloring our folding surprise. It turned out awesome. Look, this is the outside, right?
Yeah.
I think it looks cool. There's one leaf or two leaves falling. And should we open them?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. 1, 2,
2, 3.
3.
Happy fall.
Happy fall. That looks so cool, colored in. I love it, Jack. You could be super proud of your drawing, and I think this would be really cool to customize and change to say Happy Halloween or even Happy Thanksgiving. Now, another thing to remember when you're coloring your drawings is to color the leaf at the top and the bottom the same color so that when you fold it up, they match.
Yeah.
Like if we colored the top one red and this one yellow, they wouldn't line up but when it's folded. Did you have fun with this lesson?
Yes.
We hope you had a lot of fun also following along with us, and we hope you have fun changing your drawings and making it look even better. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Happy fall.
Happy fall. Happy fall.
Happy fall.
Ho, ho, ho.
Merry happy
Fall.
fall.